In this video, we will introduce Barley Straw Bales, what it is, where you can use it, how much to use, how to apply it, and what to expect. Australian-made barley straw bales are a natural product that has been traditionally used to support water quality in freshwater systems. Barley straw bales provide a sustainable solution to improved water quality and clarity. Barley straw has been used in water systems since ancient Egypt, where it was noted for improving water clarity and taste, laying the foundation for its modern applications. Made from 100% Australian-grown barley, barley straw bales is safe to use around people, pets, livestock, aquatic plants, and fish when used as directed. Barley straw bales are suitable for enclosed freshwater environments such as fish ponds, private ponds and small dams, farm irrigation reservoirs, golf course water features, municipal water systems, aquaculture and fish farming facilities. Each bale comes in a drawstring mesh bag with a float to ensure it remains near the surface and allows for easy anchorage. To use barley straw bales, calculate your water body's surface area by multiplying its length and width in meters. Use approximately 100 grams of barley straw per 2 square meters of surface area. 100-gram bale treats up to 2 square meters, and 1 kilogram bale treats up to 20 square meters. Place bales near well-aerated or moving water and gently shake every few weeks to prevent buildup. For best results, apply early in the season, replace bales every 1 to 3 months. Begin your next treatment 1 month before removing the previous one. As the straw breaks down, it releases natural byproducts that may assist in supporting clearer water conditions over time. For barley straw bales, you will begin to see results in 2 to 3 weeks. Over time, many users observe improved water clarity, reduced organic buildup, and a more balanced aquatic environment. If you're using bales and notice a strong smell, this may indicate over-application. In that case, remove excess straw and reduce the amount used next time. Used bales can be composted or repurposed as garden mulch, making them an eco-friendly choice. Barley straw bales offer a natural biodegradable option for supporting water quality, especially when used early in the season and in combination with good water management practices. For more information on barley straw bales, you can visit our website aquatictechnologies.com.au.